Sir, here the budget speaks about what is called as Karnataka model of development. And it goes on to say it is founded on three things, the principles, the three principles ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. And the three principles are justice, equality, and fraternity. Question ಬರ್ಬೋದು. According to the budget 2024, the Karnataka model of development is based on the principles of justice, equality, fraternity, justice, liberty, equality, etc. etc. So be clear. Three things: justice, equality, and fraternity. And if I have to ask you in terms of polity, in the preamble, we have how many types of justice?
3, sir.
3. Equality of?
5.
Last one equality illa, sir. 2.
2, sir.
Okay. So basically, Karnataka model of development. This is what it says. Done.